Hi everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial where I'll demonstrate how to create custom answers for the AI Copilot. I'll also demonstrate how to use the AI Copilot to generate responses and track and manage unanswered questions. In BoldDesk, the AI Copilot helps support agents by suggesting responses to customer queries based on ticket conversations and information from the knowledge base. To address gaps in the KB, you can improve the AI Copilot's performance by adding custom answers. These custom answers, which can include frequently asked questions and their responses, serve as an additional data source for the AI without being visible to end users. This allows the AI Copilot to answer topics not covered in the KB. Now, let me show you how to add new custom answers to the AI Copilot. First, I log into my BoldDesk agent portal and navigate to the Knowledge Base module. Then, I open the Artificial Intelligence menu and select Custom Answers. Next, I select Add Custom Answer and type in the question that should trigger the customized response. In the Answer section, I enter the reply that will be provided when the question is asked. Additionally, I can choose the brand where this answer will apply, and if needed, add tags for better organization, though this is optional. Finally, I have the option to either save the answer as a draft or publish it. After a custom answer is created, it is instantly added to the AI Copilot's data source and will be used to generate responses whenever a related question is asked. To learn more about using BoldDesk's AI Copilot, follow the link in the card above and the description below. Now, click the Ask AI option, type the question, and send to generate a response. You can also use the AI Copilot on the Ticket Details page. I open a ticket, click the AI Copilot icon on the Details page, and select Generate a Response to the Customer Query to get a response that matches the ticket inquiry. The AI will then generate an answer, which you can use to reply to the ticket. If the AI cannot find an appropriate response, it will display an error, and the question will remain unanswered. Let me show you how to track the AI Copilot's unanswered questions. In the Artificial Intelligence menu, select the Unanswered Questions option to view a list of questions the AI Copilot couldn't answer, along with their metrics like questions count, first occurrence and last occurrence dates, brand, and status. By clicking the count, an agent will see more details about each question, review the question's intent, and the number of similar questions with the same intent to improve the AI Copilot's data source by adding missing answers to your KB documents or custom answers. There are options to create article, create ticket, create activity, or create a custom answer for the unanswered question. These options are also available in the More Actions menu on the Unanswered Questions listing page. Agents can also filter and view the unanswered questions based on first occurrence date, last occurrence date, status, and brand. To manage custom answers, go to the Custom Answers list page where agents can filter them by status, either published or draft. Select the desired answer, then click the More Actions icon. From there, you can choose to edit or delete the custom answer. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.